Welcome back to See My Review. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more unboxing and honest product reviews. Today, I'm super excited because we've got something special, straight heat from Jordan brand. I'm unboxing the Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft Photon Dust, and trust me, you'll want to see every detail on this pair. So let's dive right in and open this box. Right out of the box, you can feel the premium quality. These aren't your standard Jordans. This craft edition is all about luxury and detail. The packaging is clean and classy, and the shoes themselves? Straight up stunning. You've got a mix of cracked leather and soft suede replacing the traditional mesh cage, and the different shades of gray give it a fresh, versatile vibe. These are the kind of sneakers that'll turn heads whether you're walking down the street or showing them off in your collection. Let's talk about why this sneaker is more than just good looks. The Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft Photon Dust features a strong leather and suede upper that feels super durable but also soft to the touch. Jordan brand really stepped it up by ditching the usual plastic elements and replacing them with rich textures. This gives the shoe a more premium feel that sneakerheads and casual wearers alike will appreciate beyond the build quality. These shoes are comfortable enough for all-day wear. The padded collar and tongue, combined with the classic air cushioning in the sole, mean you get that bounce. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, unbox.com is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, unbox Sneaker ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at unbox.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, unbox.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. And support you expect from Jordans. Whether you're wearing them out or just keeping them clean for the shelf, they deliver on both comfort and performance. That's it for today's unboxing on See My Review. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, drop a comment letting me know what you think of the Photon Dust 4s, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive sneaker content. Thanks for watching, and as always, check that description box for links to buy, follow, and connect. See.